So I have reached towards the first floor. So without wasting any time, you guys also come. तो अभी मैं मौजूद हूँ फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे. जैसा कि मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियोस में बताया था कि जो मैंने जितने भी रूम्स हैं वो मैंने या तो बेसमेंट में डाले हैं या फिर मैंने फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे डाले हैं. ग्राउंड को मैंने बहुत ग्रैंड रखा है. जहाँ पे मैं इस वक्त खड़ा हुआ हूँ ऑल्सो रूम. लेट मी शो यू द ड्रेसिंग एंड द वॉशरूम. So this is our dressing area of this home, and this is our washroom area. Of course, you can see. Let's go towards another room. This is the first bedroom, and let's go towards the master bedroom first. So जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि this is how it will look like from the first floor, as you can see. So this is the glass bridge going towards that side. This is the open to sky area. As you can see, and let's go. So while we are entering this master bedroom, so we have a lot of space, so this could be used as a dressing area, and this is the washroom, of course. And this is our major master bedroom. So we are having a balcony here, we are having a balcony here, and the view of all other homes in Parkview City. Let's go toward the other bedrooms. So while we are crossing, ये व्यू तो आप देख चुके हैं. So now we have gone through 2 bedrooms. Now this is the 3rd and the 4th bedroom. So as you can see that this is the 3rd bedroom, sorry. As you can see, it has a very huge dressing area we have given, and this is the washroom area of it. And this would be the view this is also attached with the balcony. And now let's go towards the 4th, last but not the least bedroom. So this is the 4th bedroom we are having. This is also grand. So we don't have a balcony on the back side. So we have a dressing room here. And this would be the washroom area, if you can see. Now let's have a view of full home, that how it is looking. Glass bridge, open to sky area. So this is how it is looking like. We cannot go in the basement right now because we are doing some work there. I'll be showing you the basement too, because in basement we are having a swimming pool, and on the rooftop we are also having a swimming pool. So stay tuned for watching full video, and I'll upload it very soon. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.